Guys, around every turn here, there is something so beautiful. It's definitely a special place. I can see why people who come here come back again and again. Welcome to the beautiful Carneros Resort in Napa. I'm so excited to be here. I've honestly been dreaming of coming here since we moved up to San Francisco right out of college. But to be honest, it was not and still is not in our budget. We are here with Donnie's work for a couple of days, so we just checked in a little while ago. I have my complimentary wine. We're about to go get some lunch, and yeah, I'm not really sure what our plan is for the rest of the day. Mostly relaxing. I'm excited to take you guys around with us. So we just got back from lunch. It was pretty good. Donnie's salmon was amazing. The broccolini that we had as an appetizer was insanely good. My burger was pretty mediocre, but the fries were delicious. And yeah, now we're back at the room and I'm gonna spend some time doing some work and then we're gonna go to the pool. But this is not a bad spot to work. What's up, guys? It has been such a wonderful day. We just got back from the pool, took a quick shower, and the sun is just setting. We don't have a sunset view, but the sky is kind of pink. You can kind of see it. Oh, it's such a beautiful view out here. But anyway, we're about to go to dinner. Not a lot of stuff is open. I think COVID has made them shut down most of the restaurants or do like limited hours. So the only thing that's been open while we're here in the evenings is the pavilion. So we're about to mask up. I got the cutest masks. I went to Gap and they have 3 packs of masks. These are the other 2 that I have. I think that they're so cute. So I've just tied the ends because they're a little bit big on me, but I think that they're so fun. Good morning, guys. It's about 8:30. It's our first morning at Carneros. I'm sitting outside. It's actually pretty chilly, so I'm really glad I brought some warm clothes with us because I almost just packed like sundresses and like shorts and stuff. But it's actually really cold this morning, so I've got my fleece on, which I'm really glad I have, and I have my warm coffee. We slept so well last night. Oh my gosh, the bed was so comfortable. Donnie's still sleeping. The only reason I'm up so early, I've actually been up since around 7:30, is because I have a board meeting at 9 this morning. So I wanted to make sure I got breakfast, coffee, went through the board deck. I'm taking the rest of the day off, but board meetings aren't optional. So I'm dialing into that this morning. That'll go until around noon or 12:30. And then after that, I'll officially be on vacation and I'll have today, the rest of today and tomorrow off. So really, really looking forward to 12:30 today. But in the meantime, I'm just waking up slowly, enjoying my coffee, sitting out here in our beautiful backyard. And yeah, we've just had the best time so far. We've hardly done anything, but it's just such a relaxing environment. I love that they're individual cottages. I love the amount of outdoor space that they have here, how many outdoor seating options they have at restaurants. It makes it so easy to social distance, and everyone wears masks when they're not eating or able to socially distance. So that has been so appreciated and has just made this a really enjoyable stay so far. So I'm looking forward to hopefully doing some wine tasting later today, but I'm really happy to just go with the flow and see what Donnie wants to do. So we will see where our afternoon takes us. We just got back from wine tasting. It was fun. I didn't love their wine selection, so I don't know that I would go back. It wasn't anything special, and yeah, I don't know, but it was a fun activity, and I'm definitely glad we went, and the service was great, and ambiance was nice, so overall, a good trip. Now I think we're gonna go to the pool. You and your steak?
It's heavy.
I think you've peaked. I think this is the life.
I think so. I gotta take a picture there.
Good morning, guys. It's our last morning here, and I'm so sad, but it's been such a fun trip, and we don't have to check out until noon, so I'm just gonna go and do a little bit of exploring. I think I'll go this way. Donnie's on a call, so I have like an hour probably to myself, so I'm gonna get breakfast, and yeah, I'm not quite hungry yet, so I figured I haven't really explored the property too much, so maybe I'll just walk around and see what else is out here. I think it's mostly just neighborhoods, but yeah, it's really foggy this morning, kind of chilly, but it's supposed to warm up and be like 80 degrees this afternoon, but until then I'm just gonna enjoy my morning. I want to get a coffee because it just sounds really good right now.